Hey DIYers, thanks for stopping by. This Rubbermaid 2-wheel wheelbarrow was given free to me. I used it for a few years without even realizing the cracks that were forming. I guess they opened up when I was moving some heavy broken concrete slabs. And these wheelbarrows are not cheap. And to prevent it from cracking further and save some dollars, I decided to repair it by using a 2-part epoxy. Here's the long crack at the back and crack at the side. Some have used plastic wire wrap, even metal wrapping around the cracks, but I just wanted to keep it simple. Here's a closer view. Crack at the back, a small crack at the bottom, and the side as well. The long crack at the back, here's a view from behind the wheelbarrow. I applied it around 12 noon yesterday, left it overnight, and now it's about 7 in the morning and it's not tacky to the touch. It's all dried up. Overall, the wheelbarrow is still in good condition. The wheels are good, even the axle is good. Just extending its life. Probably for light use, it is okay for mixing concrete and cement for work around the house. Here's the Loctite EA E-120HP epoxy. It's a high viscosity, non-sag. It's an aerospace grade 2-part epoxy adhesive, and the dispenser tool for this is very expensive, exorbitantly priced. I used 2 wooden dowels to push the epoxy from both the tubes for the right proportion and mixed it well and applied it. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.